I am going to show you satin stitch. For this size of a petal, we can take 2 strands of thread. I am going to show you satin stitch. For this size of a petal, let us take 2 strands. This is a filling stitch. Start from the outline. Go to the center. Again take it out in the outline. We are just going to fill the petal from the outline. Go to the center, take the next stitch. Just take the stitch along the outline. Each stitch should face the center, and we have to follow the shape of the petal as well. Only then the flower petal will look, the shape of the petal will look good. Most important thing, as we start doing the petal, the stitch, satin stitch, see, when we start from the outline, just go straight towards the center of the petal. Sometimes you tend to do, supposing you start from here, you tend to go across the line, across the petal sideways. This is a wrong method. You have to go always towards the center. Make tight stitches. The stitches have to be really tight. Once you are done with one petal, you can directly start the next petal. Continue with the next petal. Make the stitches real tight, only then you will have the satin effect. After completing the petal, if you touch, it has a satin effect. That is why it is called satin stitch. If your thread has become smaller, you can just, wherever you have completed, you just go down and cut the thread. இன்னும் கொஞ்சம் கண்டினியூ பண்ணணும். Now continue the thread, continue in the same point where you have stopped, same in the outline, continue the stitch. The stitches should be closely packed. There should not be a gap in between. At the same time, it should not overlap each other. The stitches should not overlap each other. We have come to the end of the petal. Now satin stitch. I have done satin stitch on all the petals. I will show you how to make padded satin in the center. The padded satin will be done in other different color. It can be yellow or whatever color you want it in the center. You can use that color. Now fasten off the